not going in. Let's check. The blinking light as if it was a yellow light. Fait que genre, t'es comme pas censé, t'es supposé d'arrêter, mais... Yeah, this is the neighborhood of our Airbnb because Airbnbs are banned from New York. And when we tried to look for like a hotel or even a hostel, shit was like at least $150 a night. And I was like, fuck no. So we traveled like around 30-40 minutes of train so we can get here and pay like $50 a night. That is cute.
So we can actually look at the... Parce qu'ils sont variés.
No.
This one is a decoration.
What? You want to see what? When people adventure. Skyline is pretty.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the outfit of the person. So it's easy downstairs. Oh. No, I mean, it did say like it didn't hear like that good. So.
This hot dog is good.
You know, these are not students.
No, they're not students.
Vegetation disappears, and the oceans begin to drain to reveal the solid earth.
Oh lord, this one looks gnarly. Bro, fuck these bitches. Hate them. This is so my aesthetic.
And our whole doormat, like it's seen in the calendars.
I'm filming this for you, Blake. Albino pigeon. I'm in Wall Street right now, walking to go see an art installation. So I got into this super fancy looking building with like elevators everywhere. And there's just this one woman that was like, "Are you here for Christopher Wool?" I'm like, "Yeah." Just tap the elevator and it's directly gonna lead me here. Oh. Okay. This is actually fucking cool. It's kind of crazy. Just like Yo, what the hell? I have people screaming. I'm going to investigate. I think it's a concert actually. What's going on?
This is the bounce is part of
It's an energy cleanse.
There was some dude who made a viral dance video. They were trying to teach the choreo in public, like in Lower Manhattan. Okay. It was pretty fun. No.
Thinking I am what you want me in the wrong front. It's just